In this video, I'm going to show you how to add moving averages on ThinkorSwim. So, moving averages, or MAS, are essential for analyzing trends in stocks, options, and futures. So, ThinkorSwim, or TOS, allows you to add various types of MAS, such as a simple moving averages and exponential moving averages, so to your charts easily. So now, in terms of adding a moving average in here, so make sure you open your ThinkorSwim in here and then go to charts on the left panel or navigation bar. And then after that, in the search bar, type moving average and select one of the following. And then what does it moving average simple mean? So meaning to say it is a basic moving average. And then moving average exponential means giving more weight to recent prices. Now, to click add selected, and then the indicators will now appear on your chart. So to customize it, just simply click the gear icon next to your indicator, and then you can change the length. You can also modify the color and thickness for better visibility, and that's it. So you can now click OK, apply, and OK. So you can use different colors for multiple MAS. For example, yellow for 9 EMA, blue for 50 EMA, and red for 200 SMA. And then after that, if you want to see different time frames of ones, repeat the steps above to multiple MAS, and then adding a moving average on ThinkorSwim Mobile. So you open the TOS mobile app, so assumingly, and then go to the charts and then tap the studies or the beaker icon, and then search for moving averages and select SMA or EMA, and then adjust the length, color, line, width as needed, and tap save. The moving averages will now appear on your chart. And that's it. So adding MAS in ThinkorSwim is a quick and customizable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.